Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A06 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So all you have to do is to find and open the settings, and here in this general list of the settings we have to scroll and find the display. Now let's scroll down until you'll find the screen timeout option, and here we've got some options. At the top we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest option, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 5 minutes, and after getting back you can see that it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.